Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 gamepad or controller not working problem. So the very first method is to restart your PC. For that, click on Windows icon, click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. After that, launch the game and check if gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next is to update your controller driver. So for that, you have to go to the search option, search for device manager. After that, expand human interface devices, select your controller, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your controller drivers. Before doing this, you have to connect your PC and controller, and after that follow the methods and then check if gamepad is working or not. If not, next is to enable or disable Steam input. For that, go to Steam, select your game under library section. Now right click on it, click on properties, click on controller, and here you have to select enable Steam input, and after that check if controller is working or not. If not, next come back again. Now select disable Steam input and then check if gamepad or controller is working or not. If the issue still continues, come back again, select default settings and move to the next method. Next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. It may take some time, wait for it and then try to launch the game and check if controller is working or not. Next is to remove controller and add it again. For that, go to the search option, search for settings, click on Bluetooth and devices, remove your controller from here, click on three dot icon, click on remove device. After that, restart your PC and again go to settings, click on Bluetooth and devices, click on add a device, click on everything else, add your controller over here, and after that launch the game and check if controller is working or not. Next is to update Windows. So for that, go to the search option, search for settings. After that, click on Windows update, click on check for updates option will be available over here. So you have to click on it, wait for some time, and after that check if gamepad or controller is working or not. Next is to enter big picture mode. So after selecting your game on Steam, go to the library section. Here in the above section you can see enter big picture mode. Simply click on it. Now after that, here you have to select your game and then click on the play button. After that, click on Steam option, click on power, click on exit big picture. After that, launch the game and check if controller is working or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.